Hey y'all, here's how I made my lantern using scrap cardboard, wax paper, and dried pressed flowers. So I cut out all of my cardboard pieces using a box cutter, and then I just painted over them with some Waverly chalk paint. So I cut my wax paper sheet to the same size as the base of my cardboard as well as the side pieces that I was going to add to it. And then just added dry pressed flowers in between the two pieces of my wax paper and then just ironed over that. And that is what holds it together and just kind of seals the dry pressed flowers in between the two pieces of the wax sheet. And then I just used some floral stamps to add a little extra character to them and make it not so bland. I got these stamps on Amazon, but you can also get them from the Dollar Tree, come to find out. So I may have spent a little more than what I needed to on these stamps, but I just need to get out of the house more, you guys. I don't typically shop around like I probably should. It would probably save me a little money in some instances like this, but it is what it is. So anyway, I'm just gluing my little panels of wax sheets into my cardboard and kind of just making like a frame with my cardboard pieces and just gluing those together. I didn't really like how the edges of the cardboard looked, so I ended up filling that in with some twine. So this part was a little tricky, and this is when I was starting to think maybe this wasn't the best idea to like even make this at all. But I kept adding to it, and once I added the lavender and looked at it, I was like, okay, this could be really cute. And then of course I dropped in my little tea lights. They're little battery operated tea lights, and I did a little block of wood just to raise up one of them. And once I added those, it just really made the whole piece. And I just think it turned out really, really cute. This was a lot harder to make than what I expected, so I probably won't make this again. I'm not sure. But if I were to make it again, I would make it smaller. I just think it would look better. But you'll see how beautiful it is once you turn the lights off. It's like really, really pretty. I think this would also look cute if I added floral into the top of it, like made it kind of like a vase. But I just wanted to share it just in case it sparks an idea for you. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching.